Hi, welcome to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor. In this video, we will discuss Class 10 Mathematics Chapter 3, Exercise 3.2, Question number 6 solution. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting line, parallel lines, coincident lines. So here they have given one linear equation. We need to find here another linear equation so that that linear equation has to satisfy this. See, already we know whenever we want to find the solution of linear equation in graphical way, we have these three cases. If the lines are intersecting, then a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2 we have to get. And for coincident lines, we have to get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then for parallel lines, we have to get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So these are the conditions we already know which we use while representing the solution in a graphical form. Now here they have given that in this question three sub cases, that is intersecting line, parallel lines and coincident line. Already we have this equation. We need to find another equation so that satisfies this condition. The first condition is that intersecting lines. See, intersecting lines means now for this we have to apply this condition. So it has to satisfy this condition. That means while taking a2 value as well as b2 value, we have to see that these two values, when we find the ratio of these two, we should not get the equal answer. So we have the first equation as 2x plus 3y minus 8. So you can take here any equation. This is left to you. I have taken here 7x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. See here, you can observe here, whenever we find the ratio of these two values, that is 2 by 7 or 3 by 4, it should not be equal. Just that thing you have to keep in your mind so that you can take here any value. So here I have taken this so that, see, here we have a1 as 2, b1 as 3 and c1 as minus 8. So for this equation, a2 is 7, b2 is 4 and c2 is 6. So if I find the ratio a1 by a2, I get here 2 by 7, b1 by b2, I get here 3 by 4. So you can observe here 2 by 7 is not equal to 3 by 4. That means this condition satisfies. So we can say this is the intersecting line. So this is the equation which I have taken. This is the given equation. You can take here any value like 9x you can take or 5y you can take. Any value you can take. No need to consider the c value. C value can be anything because for the first case we are interested only in this ratio, AB ratio. So that's why you have to consider here A2 and B2 values in such a way that these two values should not be equal. Next, we have the second case, that is parallel lines. For the second case, see, parallel lines, we have to get the condition like this way. A2 and B2, A and B ratios must be equal, but B and C ratios are not equal. So for that, see, already we have the given equation. So in this case, A1 is 2, B1 is 3 and C1 is minus 8. Now let us write one more equation so that we have to equalize A and B ratio. So I'm taking here 4x for A2, then for B2 6y, that is A2 is 4, B2 is 6 here and C2 is 5. Now let us find the ratio. A1 by A2 gives 2 by 4, that is half. B1 by B2 gives 3 by 6, that is half. Then C1 by C2 gives minus 8 by 5. See, you can observe here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 here. In these cases, we are getting the same value, half is equal to half. But B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Here we got minus 8 by 5. So half is not equal to minus 8 by 5. That means it satisfies this condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. But B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So this is the equation I have taken. Even you can take here some other value also. That doesn't make any difference. But while taking these values A2, B2 and C2 values, you have to just keep in your mind that it has to satisfy this condition. Next, third case, coincident lines. See, for the coincident lines, we have the condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So we have the first equation, that is the given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 8. Next we need to find out the second equation, so that we have to equalize all these three. So I'm taking the equation 6x plus 9y minus 24 is equal to 0. So here a2 is 6, b2 is 9 and c2 is minus 24. Now let us find the ratio a1 by a2, 2 by 6, that gives 1 by 3. Then here we have b1 by b2, 3 by 9, that gives 1 by 3. Then we have c1 by c2, minus 8 by minus 24, that gives 1 by 3. So you can observe here 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So all these ratios are equal, that means it satisfies this condition. So this is the example for coincident lines. See, I have taken this equation. For this I have taken this equation, and then here I have taken this equation. You can take here any value, that doesn't matter. The only thing is that you have to check the value with the condition. It has to satisfy the condition. Thanks for watching.